Welcome to 20 Car. Nissan has unveiled its highly anticipated 2025 model of the iconic 370Z sports car, showcasing a perfect blend of innovation and performance. As one of the leading car manufacturing companies in the world, Nissan has consistently impressed enthusiasts with its cutting-edge technology and stylish designs. The 2025 Nissan 370Z is equipped with a powerful engine that produces an impressive amount of horsepower, making it one of the fastest cars in its class. With a top speed of over 180 miles per hour, the 370Z is sure to satisfy even the most avid speed enthusiasts. Acceleration from 0 to 100 is achieved in just under 5 seconds, making the 370Z a force to be reckoned with on the track. Its sleek aerodynamic design allows for maximum speed and handling, making it a joy to drive on winding roads and straightaways alike. When comparing the 370Z to its competitors, such as the Ford Mustang and Chevrolet Camaro, the Nissan comes out on top in terms of power and performance. Its superior engine and precise handling set it apart from the competition, making it a top choice for those seeking a thrilling driving experience. With thousands of units sold each year, the 370Z continues to be a popular choice among sports car enthusiasts. Its sleek design and powerful engine make it a standout option in the competitive sports car market. The 2025 Nissan 370Z is available in a variety of vibrant colors, including electric blue, midnight black, and crimson red. These bold color options allow drivers to customize their car to suit their personal style and preferences. With prices starting at $35,000, the 2025 Nissan 370Z offers incredible value for its performance and features. Drivers can experience the thrill of the open road in style with this stunning sports car that embodies the spirit of Nissan's commitment to excellence in design and engineering. Overall, the 2025 Nissan 370Z is a standout sports car that offers a thrilling driving experience, powerful engine, and stylish design that is sure to turn heads wherever you go.